What's up, guys? It's your girl Gigi, and I am back again with another video for you guys. In this video, I will show you guys how I contour and highlight my nose to make it look smaller, just like this. So, if you are interested in learning how to contour and highlight your nose, just keep on watching. So to start off, you're gonna need a brown color. I'm using my Ruby Kiss contour cream palette, and I'm gonna take a small thick bullet brush and dip it in the brown cream color. And I'm going to look for where I want it to start. Okay, this is my brow bone right here, and this is an empty space next to my brow bone on top of my eye right there. So I'm gonna place the brush on this point right here and do kind of a swirl movement like this. If your eyes looks dimensional, your nose looks relatively higher because it's right next to your eyes. So that's why you want to create a shade right there. Note that I'm not pressing my brush too hard in. You also want to focus right on the start of your nose next to your eyes. And from that point, go to the highest point of your brow bone to swirling it up like this. Now, you want to go where you want to start your nose and swirl down like this. Listen, if you have a flat nose like me, the highest point of your nose is really wide. So, if you follow the wide shape of the natural side of the bridge of your nose, it will make it look wider than it already is. So, what you need to do is make the bone narrow. I'm going narrow, and I'm really trying to make the tip of my nose bone the highest point, not the whole nose. Now that I'm done contouring my nose, I'm going to highlight. As you guys know, contouring and highlighting are just all about illusions. You just have to play with shadows and light to basically create the look that you want. So I'm going to highlight my nostrils to make them look smaller. And I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee, and I'm going to apply it on the side of my nose and under my eyes. And also highlight my forehead and the middle part of my nose to create a bridge. What highlighting the sides of your nose does, it basically gives the illusion that the sides of your nose are part of your under eyes rather than your actual nose. And now I'm going to take a wet beauty blender and I'm going to blend the concealer evenly. What highlighting the middle part of your nose does is, it is going to make the bridge of your nose stand out more so that the contoured side sinks in and gives it a slimmer illusion from far away. Now, I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Banana Setting Powder and I'm going to apply it on the areas where I concealed to set the concealer in place. And I'm using the same brush with the leftover brown contour to go over the lines. You guys can see how smaller my nose starts to look already, right? Now, I'm going to use a fluffy brush to dust the extra powders away. Now, I'm going to take my LA Colors Glam palette and I'm using this brown color eyeshadow to set the areas that I contoured. Okay, to bring my nose to life, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Illuminating palette. I'm going to take a small makeup brush like this. I'm going to pick this color and I'm going to apply it on the bridge of my nose and blend it. Take a little bit, not too much. This basically has shimmer. Anything with shimmer reflects light and it will draw attention to this particular part of your face. Okay guys, you can stop here if you want to because this next step is optional. Now I'm gonna take my Melanie Fantastic Face and Body Baked bronzer. I'm going to apply it on the tip and the bridge of my nose and blend it. Et puis voilà, we all done. As you can see, my nose is snatched, honey. I love you guys. Bye.